was the last patient.
All right, you ready to go?
Heck yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. What's wrong with the lights?
Is someone here?
Oh, they shouldn't be. It's about closing time.
What's going on?
Hello? What is going on out there? Sir, we're closed.
We should go get Matt.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we're closed. Sir?
What's going on?
I just came to get an adjustment.
Come on.
Walk.
Come on. Okay. Let's see. Just relax. Lean this ear down. Right there.
Yeah. That felt great, Doc.
Oh,
Can we
I'm
do
glad.
it again?
Yeah, you tell me if everything's okay. Right here. Lean back towards me. Right there.
Dr. G, you're like magic.
I'm glad. I don't want to upset you. Come on over here. Lie on your back right here. Just like this. Just lie right here.
It's like the dead man.
Just like the dead man. Yeah. Take your time. Take your time.
Dr. G is working on me.
Let's see. Cross just like that. And just relax. Try to relax.
Ah!
All right. Are you okay?
I'm
Fine. Turn all the way on your side towards me.
Be careful, Doc.
Hey, you're the boss here.
How do you want me?
Pull this like that, right there. Bend this here. Bend this top knee. Right there. Just relax. All right. And then we're going to turn the other way. And bend this one here. Right there. Just
Here
relax.
we go.
Good. Right. And then lay right on your back again.
Okay.
Right there. Just relax.
I feel taller.
Hopefully. Oh, wait. Is this a real heart? I'm sorry I asked. Just let's go ahead and get you up. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Doc, thank you.
Absolutely.
Wow, that really feels great, man. I appreciate that, Doc.
Man,
Thank you so much, man.
absolutely.
Man, I feel like a new person.
I'm glad I can help. Just
Beautiful.
next time, try to come within office hours, please.
One, two. I'm coming for you. 3, 4. Lock your door. Dr. G is where the place to be if you want an adjustment. I feel great. Now where's the worms? Happy Halloween! Hey guys, this is Marty Wright, aka Boogeyman, WWE Hall of Fame, and I guarantee you come see Dr. G, you'll be 3 to 4, 5 inches taller than what you are right now. He's worked magic for me, and I feel great. And thank you so much, Dr. G. I
Absolutely,
appreciate it.
my pleasure.
Thank you. Guys, when you're in town, come see Dr. G.